My secret to removing stains from the floor, windows, walls, bathrooms, and more. To start today's tip, in a container I will add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Being one of the main items for all its alkaline effect on cleaning. Then also half a cup of detergent and we will mix well. I'm sure you'll be impressed by the use of these blends in your home. You will thank me after you start using this mixture in your cleaning. Now I will also add 150 milliliters of vinegar. Next, we will also use 2 tablespoons of alcohol. This is one of the main items for this tip. I'll mix well, and with that our first mixture is ready. For preparation of the second tip today, in a container, I will add half a cup of disinfectant, being the item that will bring the aroma and cleanliness that your home needs. Next, we will also use 150 milliliters of alcohol, an indispensable item for its bactericidal effect. 2 mixtures that serve for complete cleaning of your home. You will be impressed. I use this mixture and I can clean my bathroom. It's very simple and easy. To finish, we will also use 150 milliliters of vinegar. The ideal now is to mix well, and with this our second mixture will be ready for use. To facilitate the application of this mixture, I will put all the liquid in a spray bottle, thus controlling the amount of use and also avoiding waste. If you prefer, you can even use a funnel to avoid waste. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Anacita Rebato from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This is ideal for use on windows, furniture, and even in your kitchen, perfectly acting in removing stains and bringing the aroma your home needs. For the second mixture, being the main one, totally ideal for its use even in the toilet, I apply the product directly, and with the help of a brush I can remove all types of stains. This blend is also perfect for your use on floors, even for yard cleaning. I hope this mixture works perfectly for you. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.